Hey, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Ayla, also known as AKA. Today I have for you my second video in my styling denim pieces for summer series. Like I mentioned, I'm really struggling at the moment with options in my closet for when things start to get a little bit warmer, for the warmer months that are coming. We are in spring at the moment, although it does not look like it at the moment and it does not feel like it at the moment. It definitely will start to heat up very, very soon, and at the moment my closet is not really well versed for that, so this is why I needed to do this series. Like I said in the last video, my style tends to be a bit more baggy, a little bit more long sleeve and this type of thing, which makes it hard in summer months to kind of express my style whilst also being comfortable because it gets so hot. Like I said, I went on Depop the other day and I tried to find some affordable and versatile pieces. The pieces themselves are not that out there, they're not that different, they're not really, I would say, my signature style, but they are pieces that are easily able to be mixed with many different things, which is sort of what I was looking for. So without further ado, let's get into the second denim styling video for this series. I hope you enjoyed that video of styling those denim shorts for summer. Like you would have probably realized, they're not really shorts. They definitely looked like longer shorts on Depop, which is what I was going for, but I actually really like the length of them, and they are super baggy, so they'd be airy, they're not going to be super hot and that type of thing. As you saw, they're very, very baggy. I have just ordered a belt of Depop to go with them, but I have already filmed the styling portion of that. So I hope that you like the outfits anyway. I think it's a little bit more out of my comfort zone than usual. I don't usually like to have like full torso on show, but I have been working out recently and I need to be proud of that. So I'm going to challenge myself to wear kind of more outfits like that a little bit more often. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and please comment what you think the next denim styling for summer series video is going to be. What item am I styling? Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.